Morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. Wednesday, yeah. Good morning. Morning. Welcome to another stream. Okay, today, important levels to watch on SPY, yesterday's low, which we're kind of losing it right now, pre-market. We'll see, but pretty much yesterday's low on SPY, Monday's low on the Q, which is around 364, 365. So SPY 442, QQ 364, 365. Um, who knows? I'm kind of expecting a bounce here, at least in the morning. But I don't know. We can have like a very choppy day because today we have Fed talking around 2. So who knows what's gonna happen. Main watch Nvidia. Nvidia is the one that I'll be watching today, but important levels and different stocks. It will be Nvidia. Yesterday's low. It's either gonna lose it here and we're gonna see a retest over at least 420 or 430, or it's gonna hold it as support and we're gonna see a bounce till 450. But I think the Nvidia trade is gonna depend how the market is acting. So yeah, so Nvidia yesterday's low, Meta, the 300 level, 300 level, it's make it or break it. Oops, excuse me. So we want to see Meta holding 300 for a bounce here. If loses, I can see it going to at least 296, but it's mostly like 291, but it's gonna need a little bit of time. But I think everything depends of what the feds are gonna talk about. Maybe if they sound like a little bit bearish, maybe the market just die here. But we'll see. 300 on Meta. And looking FDX, I like this bull flag, maybe breakout if the market is bullish. Because if the market is bearish, I'm not gonna play this one. But if the market looks bullish and it's holding, I like the 265 hold on FDX for a breakout towards the flag top, which it will be around 270. Um, what else? Oh, Netflix, nothing has changed here. Still looking bearish, still rejecting this red zone here, the 430, 429. Kind of looks like a bear flag here. But yeah, I think if Netflix loses 420, it's just gonna die to 410, 412, around there. But yeah, uh, gonna keep watching FDX. I'm still holding my put for this week, and I also have for next week, Microsoft. Microsoft for, I'm sorry, 320. So 320 is a big deal here because it has a gap till 316. So Meta is dying already. It's losing 300. I don't know why. Maybe it had news. I don't know, but yeah, under 300. We know 300 is the level to watch. So it's already at 299.70, but it can still bounce here. I don't know. We'll wait and see. Okay, Microsoft. Microsoft under 320 has a gap to fill till 316. So that's a watch here also. Um, for these gaps, I will wait until it breaks down 320, and then I will wait until it bounce here and it show me like it's a clear rejection area now instead of support. I will wait for that on Microsoft. So yeah, I think today should be, well, I don't know. I was gonna say it should be an easy day, but lately it's been weird mornings and we have Fed talking later today, so we might have like a weird choppy day. Who knows? But yeah. So Microsoft 320, FedEx 265, Meta 300, Nvidia yesterday's low, which is what? Let's see, 437, around there. Nvidia is already like trying to go like pre-marketed, just bouncing from 440. But again, if the market is just red or not, like I think if the market, like if SPY and QQQ is just flat, I think Nvidia is gonna go. But if even if Nvidia goes higher, and I see the market being weak, I'm not gonna look for calls because that would be just going against the trend, and that's like putting too much risk on your portfolio. But yeah, Nvidia is looking very strong. Very. It's like the market hasn't opened, it's already going. Yeah, if I see like the market moving weird, I'm just not gonna do anything and just hold my Netflix puts. Mm, let's see. We are trying to bounce here. Maybe just straight up dead. Amazon dead? Is it on the gap? Because if it's hot, I wanna see Amazon like entering the gap. Oh yeah, it's just dead. Just it's filling the gap. Ooh, I like how Netflix is dying here. It looks like that was a bear flag. Under 420 it's just gonna die. Meta just dying. Microsoft's dying also at 320. But so I would not buy puts if QQQ is still on this green zone because it could easily bounce here. But SPY is looking dead. That's pre-market low. Okay. Yeah, but Microsoft is still holding 320. So we'll see. FedEx is very strong here. Very strong. Nvidia is trying to hold. Netflix is dead. I like a SPY calls here. The risk to reward is too good to not take a SPY call. So I'm gonna take a SPY 443 for today. My stop loss is gonna be around here, 442. Netflix looking beautiful. The Q tag is very, very weak. Okay, so Meta is at 298. I want to see if he's gonna bounce here or is for a entry for puts, but I think it's too dead. And Microsoft is at 320, is trying to hold 320. Netflix also is trying to hold 320. Guys, watch FedEx. FedEx, if Spies breaks out here, I think FedEx is gonna break out. Yeah, FedEx is very strong. If you're in spy calls with me, be a little bit careful here because we're right at resistance right now. But I think spy could try to go back to 444, and then that will be a very good place for a rejection. Yeah, Microsoft is just bouncing from 320. Yeah. Whoa. 30% up on spy calls, 34% up. I'm gonna take a little profits here. Yeah. I think we're gonna retest 444. 40% up. I'm taking a little bit more profit here. 42. $45 up. Yeah, I think we're gonna retest 444. But remember to take some profits here. The Q is also holding the support area here. Also, we need to remember that yeah, the SPY is bouncing, but we're still on a downtrend. So if we catch any calls play, it's just at a scalp. Don't expect too much from it. I'm 50% up on SPY calls, so I'm gonna take a little bit more profits here. I'm just getting ready to like sell a bunch near 444 and then just leave some runners. I like how Netflix it's kind of having trouble here. Um, and yesterday was super strong, but today doesn't look like it. The Nvidia is very weak. If you guys made money or you like this spy trade, remember to like the video. Like, like. Yeah, neck. What? Like, anybody took FedEx? FedEx looks so good. Nice, nice. Yeah. That 320 hold on Microsoft was great, even though I don't love it because it doesn't look that strong. I think tag is too weak today. And if you guys are not on FedEx on Netflix, I will watch these like entering here with you can use a stop loss above like this morning high. Yeah. Spy's gonna go for 444. Okay, I'm 67% up. I'm just gonna take the rest of my profits and just gonna leave like two runners. We're near 444. Yeah, so yeah, that was a good trade. Nice job, guys. Awesome. Now we need to watch how it's gonna react here. 444, we know it's a big level, and the Q is already having trouble with this resistance here. So tech definitely weak today. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, the Q, if we see it breaking this level here that it's being acting as resistance, we can expect a move at least till 367.50 or 368, but it's already looking very weak. I added more Netflix puts for next week. Ooh, Nvidia is just dying. The other one that I like for puts is Meta, because it's having trouble here around 300. It's using 300 as resistance. But yeah, but I don't really love it because the Q is too close to support. So it's not a A plus setup. I will wait and see if the Q is really gonna lose this support or not. I wanna see if Netflix losing 320. HD on fire. Let's see HD. Oh yeah. HD needs to hold 335 as support. So this could be a break and retest if holds here, but it's a double top. It's doing a double top there. You want to see it holding above 335 if you're trading HD. Nvidia just bouncing from 440. Netflix and Nvidia looking pretty much the same. Microsoft 320 was a beautiful bounce. Let's see what's Apple doing. Well, Apple just bounced from the 177 level, which is it's been very strong the past few days. Look how like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days bouncing off 177. Microsoft very strong. Yeah, FTX sometimes has like a very bad spread, so going with a SPY was a smart. Very smart, John. Nvidia's having a lot of trouble here. And Meta keeps rejecting 300, which is very like easy break and retest there. Broke 300, bounced it, and then now it's rejecting there. What do you want me to show again? Mm, which one? You have Spy here, you have Nvidia, you have QQQ, Netflix, FedEx. Which one you want me to show? Oh, the break and retest on Meta, it's here. Broke 300, retest 300, clear rejection here. Let me take out this green. Clear rejection candles here, here, break, retest, dying. You can say also it was a bear flag, but I like this break, retest, dying. I don't know. I don't know why it's not doing better. Maybe because the entire market is not doing good. Like the Q is not moving higher, so that's why Nvidia is not moving higher. The Q is tech, so if tech is looking weak, it's gonna be more difficult for like single stocks to go higher, like tech stocks, like Nvidia. Clear 444 rejection there on SPY. But I wouldn't say that Nvidia is doing bad because it's still holding 440. So, like I said it on my pre-market analysis on my Discord, so the key level here for Nvidia to either play puts or calls is yesterday's low. So if keeps holding here, it's kind of looking bullish. If rejects, if breaks here, yesterday's low, and then does like a break and then retest and rejects there, just like Meta did with the 300 level, that will be a go to play puts. So I'm just waiting a little bit here for Nvidia to tell me if it's gonna bounce here or if it is gonna lose this level. But I'm not looking to play puts right now on Nvidia because it's still holding pre-market low and it's still holding for 40, like the support here. Also, the Q is still holding support. Anybody on the 300 break on retest on Meta? Let's put Meta here because Meta it's looking very easy for puts. But again, it's I don't think this is a plus setup just because the Q is still holding and it's too close to support. Nice, nice. But yeah, Netflix and Meta are definitely looking weak. And if SPY is gonna keep projecting 444, I think everything is gonna move lower, which I think it should. SPY should like keep projecting 444. If not, I can see it go to 445 and then should reject there. Yeah, because if we see like the overall picture, we have this downtrend here and we have 444 rejection point here, and then the next one is around 445. So SPY can still go to 445 and it still will be on a downtrend. Let's see. I think the market, like the Q is holding in SPY because Apple and Microsoft both are holding. Apple has a bull flag. And Apple is bull flagging. Anybody playing HD? HD is going back down and retesting 335. If holds there, that's a good entry for calls. But it's high risk because the market is looking kind of weak. Nvidia is not moving. I wasn't expecting this from Nvidia, but it's holding pre-market low. So 440 is pre-market low. Like I would not feel comfortable right now playing calls. HD, I'm sorry, not HD. Meta, Netflix, and Nvidia looking pretty much the same. Looking weak. I want to see Netflix losing 420. Okay. Yeah, Nvidia is definitely weak. Weaker than the Q. Watching videos if loses the support here, yesterday's low, and which is Friday high. I'm sorry, Monday high. If we see a break here and then bounce and retest that level and use it as resistance, I'm probably gonna look to play puts there. But the Q and SPY are at support. So I don't want to rush into anything because we already have like a killer trade with a SPY calls over 60%. No need to rush. Oh yeah, Netflix, Netflix, Netflix. Yeah, HD is trying to hold 335. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, let's see Nvidia. Nvidia's go if can lose 437 and then do a break and retest there. I think it's time for Netflix to just lose 420. 420. That weak on Nvidia. What? It wants to hold 420. 440. HD, it's kind of tempting me here because it's holding 335. Um, and the market is at support, but I don't know. Kind of feel uncomfortable um playing calls here, even though both SPY and QQQ are at support. Mm, instead of FTX, like FTX, the entry was around 266, 265. Right now, I don't know. Like I said, I feel a little bit uncomfortable playing calls. Honestly, I don't know. But FTX is trying to hold here VWAP and INEMA, so you can play it. Like, just know you like the market's kind of risky right now, and my I think it's too far from my stop loss, because my stop loss it will be this morning low. I think it's HD will be a better play right now. You want to see it holding 335. If you have confirmation that 335 it's support on HD and you want to play calls today, just get that and your stop loss will be under VWAP and INEMA. Or you can play QQQ calls also. QQQ calls, it will be easier to manage because your stop loss is very close to your entry. But I don't know, I don't feel comfortable playing calls here. I don't know, it's weird. It's weird because um 444 is a big level for SPY and it show you that it's clearly rejecting there. But the Q is right at support and doesn't really have like a clear resistance. Well, near the your next like clear resistance, it's almost at 368 and it's holding support very, very good. So I don't know. It's weird right now. So do I like FDX calls or HD calls? Yes. But do I feel like trading it? No. But Microsoft is acting very bullish and very strong. So the market right now is just chopping around, eating premium, getting your money. Kava is very weak. It had earnings yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. And it's looking very weak. Yeah, I think the best, like, if you want to play calls, the best one is the Q, but I will not take that play because the SPY is too close to resistance. Meta is trying to regain 300. Apple is very strong too. So that's definitely gonna move the market. Apple and Microsoft. It looks like we're just gonna have a choppy morning. And like remember, like if we remember how the market it's been acting the past few days, it have it does like a quick move in the morning and then just doesn't do anything or just chop around until after lunch. So till afternoon. And today we have what we have at 2 we had Feds talking. So that's even more material for just a morning, like a choppy morning. But if we just look at the chart, like if I'm just looking at the QQQ chart, it's telling me to just get calls here with a very good risk to reward. My stop loss will be morning low, my entry here, but I don't love it. Yeah, because look how we keep rejecting 444. Unless we break 444 and use it as a board, we can expect like a move higher till 445, 445.20. And Meta is just giving you another like very good entry here. You can enter here for put with a stop loss around 301. If you got it like QQQ 0 DTE, you're screwed. both Microsoft and Apple are strong, moving higher, breaking out of the flag. Look, these 440 bounce here on Nvidia. That 5-minute candle is very bullish. That's a strong reaction from 440. Okay, I'm gonna take a shot here on Nvidia. Nvidia calls. This is a high risk one because the market is not looking too good, but I like that Nvidia and QQQ are at support and not losing that support. So I got 450. My stop loss is gonna be this week here. But it's not an A plus setup, so I do not recommend it. HD is looking great. Using definitely, it's flagging at support. AMD. Uh, if you want to play calls, you need to play calls, even though AMD is at support. But if you want to play calls, you need to look for the strong, for something that looks strong, not something that looks weak. Yeah, your risk to reward is very good here, but the market it's been holding kind of going up. Tech it's going up, and AMD is going down, went down. So you wanna play something that is looking strong, not weak, if you wanna play calls. It could definitely bounce there, but I will go for something that is strong. Like right now, Nvidia, Microsoft and Apple, they're just gone. The Q was the one to enter. When I said like you can enter here, your stop loss will be this morning low. HD because it's flagging at support. What is Tesla doing? Let's see what's Tesla doing. Ooh, Tesla, it's going for yesterday's low. So we can have something like this on Tesla. Let's see. Something like this. Break, retest, go down. So watch Tesla 235, 236. And Meta just regained 300. And we have another rejection of 444. If SPY breaks 444, the market's gonna boom boom. Meta, it's rejecting 301. Okay, so Apple, the market, I think it's bouncing because Apple and Microsoft are bouncing, but Apple is still on a downtrend, clear downtrend, but it's still holding 177. So Apple can still go to almost 179, and the trend it will still be down. But yeah, both Microsoft is just flying. Are you still holding Microsoft calls out of that 320 support? I remember, who was it? The one that had the play the 320 bounce on Microsoft. I think the level to watch for everything to move higher is 444 on SPY. We have a double top there on the 30-minute. Yeah, it keeps rejecting there. HD is starting to break out of the flag. Hmm. Yeah, we start the game here. Okay, okay. So the only thing that I want to see here is Netflix losing 420. And this, look how ugly these 15-minute candles rejection are here. Ugly. IWM so weak. Extremely weak. Mm, so how are you guys doing today? What are you guys holding so far? Chop, chop, chop. Little scalps. Yeah, definitely. Choppy day. Nothing really moving unless you catch an Apple or Microsoft in the morning, but the rest is just dead. Amazon, what's that doing? Amazon's at support, and it filled. Let's see, fill the gap. No, The gap is still 134, but 136 is support there. Like I see a bunch of like good setups for puts. It's just the market is too close to support. That's the thing. And it's too close to a strong, very strong support. Yeah, for that I think you need SPY to lose 442 and the Q to lose 364.50 around there. Meta is definitely weak. So far my favorite setup right now it's meta puts with you can have like a very good risk to reward play here. So you can go with um stop loss at around today's high. Yeah, entry here, stop loss, today's high, PT. My PT on Meta will be the first one around, like the first one is 297, but mostly it will be for a swing trade till 292 around there. So the risk to reward here is very good. But again, the market is at support. So I don't know what's gonna happen. But I like that for a swing trade for next week. The thing is, like we also have Fed talking today, so that could screw up the swing. Nvidia, it's holding very good. Let's see how much are the meta puts for next week. The 290 are at no 290 is too far out of the money. 297.5 or 5.40. 295 or 4.40. The 300 are 6.50. If I didn't have Netflix put, I will get Meta puts. I like that Nvidia hold there. But the Q, it's grinding higher, higher and higher. Look how a bunch of wicks we have. That's a clear sign that the market is choppy. Bunch of wicks at the top, that's a clear rejection there. And we have a bunch of wicks here also at the top. Um, yes and no. So SPY was a scalp that I made. I'm in Nvidia calls, but I do not recommend it. And I added to my Netflix put for next week. I honestly don't recommend anything right now. Like the one that I like is Meta puts, but like I said it like a million times. Spy and QQ are both at support, at strong support. So you can have a bounce out of nowhere here. So I will say don't trade until after Feds. So it will be after 2 p.m. Eastern time. I don't think it's worth it trading right now, like at all. Unless you're a very good scalper. But no. Tesla filled the gap that it made today pre-market, so basically filled the gap to yesterday's low and is now rejecting there. So that could be another good put play. But I will prefer if Tesla can go a little bit higher to 235, or if it can go again to 234 and take puts there. But again, the market is just holding support. So I see a lot of like good put setups, but the market being holding support, it's like it's a bad risk to reward there. So it's pretty much the market is playing with our patience here. Mm, 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 mm. So SPY keeps holding, but with ugly wicks. And the same with the Q. Both are holding with ugly wicks. Like if I see my, like looking at like my broker, we have Nvidia is green, FedEx is red. So we have a few stocks that are green, but we have others that they're just dead, like AMD, Amazon, Tesla, Meta are all red. Disney are red. And we have Apple, Google, Microsoft, and Nvidia that are green. And both SPY and QQQ are green, but just by a little, just a little. So right now I'm holding Nvidia 450 call. I only have one because I don't love this market how it's acting, and I do have a bunch of Netflix puts for next week. I also have weekly, but I have a lot for next week. Meta tempted me here. Hmm. No, SPY is using 443 as support. So SPY is moving in a range like this. It's using 443 as support and it's using 444 as resistance. So it's either gonna break 444 and we're just gonna like run to 445, or we're just gonna keep holding 442.50 the support and just stay there. Clear little uptrend here using VWAP and 90 MA as support. And SPY could maybe be flagging here. Flagging under resistance. That's bullish for me. This is so boring. Like, I hate what the market is like this. Because if, like in the past, if I didn't have this stream, I would be already out. Okay, Netflix. I like that Netflix keeps rejecting there. And I don't even have snacks for today. If I had snacks, at least I would be like eating there, eating and reading the macros. But I need new, I need new protein bars to try it on because I think I already tried a bunch. I need new ones. I need suggestions. Yeah, thank you, Andrew. Thank you. I appreciate you guys being here because boring it's by myself is very I'm sorry, trading by myself is very boring. That's a big move on Nvidia. Big move. But it's still holding yesterday's low. And the Q is doing higher low, higher low, higher low until it doesn't. And we did. And we're holding. Can you just die already, Netflix? Apple has a head and shoulder. So that could make the market die here, but that's a clear head and shoulder here on Apple. You can scalp there. A scalp there it will be very easy. Stop loss 178. Your PT will be around 177. Or can even or no. But yeah, that's a head and shoulder. I like Tesla for puts also. Tesla. Tesla looks good for puts also. It's rejecting yesterday's low under VWAP. You could like reject here. So many good setups, but no follow through, which is very annoying. That was a good mistake. $6. So now you can end if you want to enter puts. Now you can get a better entry. But honestly, I would not enter anything. Like this is we have too much happiness here. And both the SPY and the Q are holding support. So no A plus setup. I do buy shares on ETF. So I buy um VOO, VYM, and what's the other one? Let me check that. Oh, and VUE. Those are the only things that I buy on my long-term portfolio. The Q also looks like it's doing a head and shoulder. A weird head and shoulder, but it also looks like a head and shoulder. Could be something like, let's see, like this. Microsoft is moving the market higher. Microsoft just keeps going. Tesla just started to die. Yeah, Netflix, Tesla, um, are looking weak. Definitely Tesla. Also Nvidia. Nvidia is kind of looking weak, but it keeps holding 440. So until keeps holding 440, I would not play puts on Nvidia. In fact, I will play puts on Nvidia only if loses yesterday's low and then I see like a break and then retest. But SPY keeps trying to go higher. So SPY maybe breaks 444 here. Like consolidation near this resistance and so close to this strong support. That's bullish. Yeah, no problem. You guys prefer scalping or swing trading? I know I prefer swing trading, but everything depends how the market move. So right now the market is kind of difficult to do swings, so I'm doing more scalps, but I definitely prefer swing trading. Scalping? Yeah, with this market, we need to scalp. There's no way we can swing trade. Well, you can swing trade, but it's just more difficult. But let's just like today, I'm not gonna like look to swing trade much because uh we have Fed talking at 2, so I know um any of my swing can get like very screwed. They can go to 0. Okay, let's see if SPY now is gonna break 444. 444 is the level that SPY's been fighting the entire morning. If we break 444, that's bullish, and the next one is 445. Or he's doing also a head and shoulder, like a weird head and shoulder here. Let's see. I'm gonna take out the VWAP and INEMA because not doing anything. Like, so I see definitely a wedge there and also weird head and shoulder here. So which one is gonna win? Tesla is very weak. I took Tesla puts and I'm up like 10%. Mm. No, not really. Because my stop loss, like, no, I'm not concerned because I made enough money on those spy calls that if Netflix goes against me, I'm okay with that. But yeah, it can definitely go to zero here. This is why I got um Tesla puts, because first of all it has a gap to fill here, this blue zone that I have here. My next clear support, it will be first of all before the gap, and then after the gap it's around 221, 222, around there. And then it's been very weak the past few days. Tesla, it shows a clear rejection of yesterday's low with the market holding. Tesla is under VWAP and INEMA. So yeah, Tesla is definitely weaker than the market. But it's gonna be like a quick trade. I'm not like expecting too much from it because I'm not looking to hold too many things for today. Okay, this is definitely not a head and shoulder. Not a head and shoulder. Come on, do something. You either gonna reject again or hold here. What's pre-market high? Okay, so we have resistance here around 444, and then we're gonna have resistance at around 444.30. That's pre-market high. We have a lot of resistance coming. 444.50. It was a lot of resistance yesterday too. Yeah, Tesla is dead, dead. Ooh, that's another ugly rejection there of 444. I'm gonna put Tesla here because I'm on a scalp there. Yeah, the Tesla was a beautiful, beautiful rejection of yesterday low. It has a little bit of support here, but that's an ugly daily candle. Anybody on Tesla puts? Apple is still forming a head and shoulder here. $320 or $220? And we're down again. And we're holding. Honestly, let's see, TET. Ooh, it's filling the gap, so there's nothing to say about it here. TET, clear rejection. The only play that it was good on TET if it gap up above 136 resistance and held that as support. But right now, nothing to do here. It's already, the play was the rejection there. Look, this line here that I had as resistance, it just rejected there. It filled in the gap. Like, nothing to play there, honestly, on target. I wonder why Microsoft is going higher with everything else going lower. Like Microsoft, it keeps this slow uptrend. Bro, Tesla. Tessie. I'm up 30% on those Tesla puts. Let's go. Ooh. It has a little bit of support here, and then that's pre-market support a little bit, but it's so weak. And then the next one is morning low, and then it's just gonna die. I mean, if the market just died today, like it just goes lower, Tesla, it's just gonna die bad because it is extremely weak. Same with Meta. That was a beautiful look in the Meta daily. That's a bear flag there. Meta daily here. And Netflix is rejecting this yesterday's resistance here. Well, support yesterday, and now it's acting as resistance. But it's holding there. I want to see it breaking 420. I think it's gonna depend on these Apple head and shoulder. Is it gonna break down or not? The Meta and Apple kind of looks the same here. And we have a little bounce here. I'm so happy that I just closed my zero DTE calls here at 444. That was like, I'm happy with that. I was very like responsible, and I was like, okay, 444 resistance, buy. Because I because I'm so used to swing trading that most of the time I tend to hold a little bit longer my scalps, more than I should. But on that, I'm kind of proud of that trade. I was like, enter here, my PT is here, buy. Okay, there are two things that I'm looking that it can really like make the market go lower. First of all, yeah, Microsoft, it's been very strong, but it's right now it's had the downtrend resistance here. So it looks like 324 could be a strong resistance here on Microsoft. So we'll see that. It's kind of rejecting there. The other thing that I'm looking is looks like the Apple head and shoulder might play it out. So if we have Apple and Microsoft going down, it's gonna bring the market down because those two were the one that made the market go higher. Those two were the only ones that looked strong. Anybody who Meta puts that, Meta looks so beautiful for a put play there. Okay, so Apple is losing it a little bit. Netflix, beautiful 423 rejection. I don't have a PT honestly on Tesla. I'm just because it's a scalp, so I'm just looking how it's gonna react to supports. I'm just gonna go with how it's gonna react to support. And the other thing is like, yeah, Tesla is very weak. So if the market just go lower, Tesla is just gonna keep dying like faster than the market. But just go with support. So the first support that I was talking about was this pre-market support here. Already lost it and it's rejecting there. The next one is gonna be this morning low here. So around 228. That's your next support. You wanna wait and see how it's gonna react there. And then it's just like these 427. You have rejection points here, strong bounce here pre-market, so just gonna go with whatever Tesla is giving me. If I see Tesla keep holding here and it's giving me like bullish candles, that's a clear reason to get out because it's gonna hold, but so far it's looking bearish. Like it's making lower high, rejecting previous support here. It's like rejecting resistance, previous support, rejecting there. Kind of fighting this support here. That is now looks like it's acting as resistance, but we'll see because if the market keeps holding here and Meta keeps holding here, I'm just gonna get out. So that's how I go with my day trade or scalps. Netflix is looking like it's ready to die. Like the 30-minute candle is looking like with clear rejection points. The only thing that I need here is to lose 420. Yeah. So see, now look, it's using this resistance as support. Let's see. But if you're scalping, you should already take some profits, which I did. It can go to 230 and reject there. But when we scalp, we need to move fast. Damn, Microsoft is just keep going. Bro, that is not gonna let, oops, not gonna let the market going down. Like 425 is the next resistance here on Microsoft. And then 426. 426 is a big one. Like 426 is a big resistance here. Like resistance, resistance, support, support, support. 426 is a big one. When was, I think it was Monday that we have something like this, that the market literally just stayed on a range for the entire day until, yeah, Monday. Look this, Monday. Let's put the 5 minutes on Monday because it was insane. Where is it? Okay, so look how the market just go up, reject, it's rejecting resistance, but it's kind of looks like it's consolidating, maybe it's flagging, I don't know. And let's go to Monday. Let's see, Monday here. It, this Monday did exactly the same. So it went up, reject resistance, resistance, resistance the entire day, like the entire day. And then like let's see, 20 minutes before the market closed, just boom. And then it gapped down the next day. But it boom boom till 444, which is a strong, it was a strong resistance. Are we gonna do the same thing today? Maybe till Feds. I think I'm gonna be here around 2 because I wanna know what's gonna be the market decision after, because I think it's gonna be very important because we don't have rate hikes this month, we have it next month. So I think if they say something like, and I think the market is not expecting more rate hikes till maybe October. So if Feds are bullish, the market's gonna go higher today and it's gonna give you an opportunity to swing trade calls for tomorrow, because I will expect like the market like gapping up or using 445 as support and then just keep going higher tomorrow. I don't know if it's gonna keep going higher the entire week, but maybe. But if the market is bearish, we're gonna lose this 442 support, and the market's just gonna die till 440, and I'll expect more downside like the next the next few days. So I will swing trade puts. So yeah, I think today is an important day. So I'll what time is it? It's almost 11:30. So yeah, I'll go back a little bit before 2, and I'm just gonna see the craziness because we know how the market just go up and down like very strong when Feds are talking, but I will wait until a little bit and see what's the trend for the day. And yeah, just make the decision how like probably gonna trade just right before market close. So if the market looks very bullish and it got it like go to 445 and use it as support, I will swing. I will looking to swing trade calls. If the market definitely lose this support here, the 442, I will be looking to swing trade puts. Okay, Tesla dying, beautiful. The Q dying, Spice is still holding. We're probably gonna hold again 443. AMC is too crazy for me to play that. I only played AMC last month because it was just too easy. That chart, it was just extremely easy, very cheap. Um, but a split on AMC, well, AMC is very cheap. So if you want to try it, you can try with just like a couple of puts or calls, whatever you want to play there. Yeah, I think the queue is reacting like that because Microsoft is rejecting that 324 level. With Meta, beautiful, beautiful play there. It's just dying. I want to see that on Netflix now. Netflix been like playing with my feelings, with my patience. What? What's that spam? Spamming? What the heck? Move. Can you stop or I'm gonna block you? Bye. Bye. Okay, so Tesla, the next support, it's this morning low here, 228. If loses that, it's just gonna die. I'm 47% up on Tesla. Ooh, I like that move on Netflix. I need to go and pee, but I want to see if Tesla is gonna hold here or not. I'm taking a little profit there on Tesla. Mm-mm-mm, mm-mm-mm. Yeah, the Q has a lot of support here. And Nvidia just like holding there. Not doing shit, but it's holding. Okay, I need to pee. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. I'm back. Ooh, Netflix. Netflix just lost yesterday's low and today's low. Yes. Finally. Finally. I was going insane with Netflix yesterday. Beautiful. I definitely think Netflix can go to 412 or 410. Just dead. Whoa. We need to see it losing this Monday low here. Hopefully, it's gonna lose that and it's just gonna die. 420 is a little bit of support there. Was support Monday, support here, rejection here, support here, rejection here. So 420 is like the next level that I want to see Netflix losing. But with the Q dying, I don't think it's gonna be any problem. Beautiful Netflix break and retest there. The past few days of 429, 430. Beautiful retest today of Meta 300. Beautiful retest of Tesla yesterday's low. We gotta watch here because the Q is right at support. So that was yesterday's low, pre-market low. This support here, 366. It has a lot of support from 366 till 364, like tops 364. We have a lot of support. Tesla 228 is a key level for today. If holds here, I can see it bouncing it back to 234. If loses 228, we can have like a big sell-off here on Tesla. Yeah. Yeah, 228 is an important level. Yeah, Apple, Apple and Microsoft are just holding, but Apple is looking bearish. It's like holding, but it had like rejection candles at the top, like rejection wicks at the top. Mena just keep dying. Looks like SPY is finally breaking down. But we can bounce here of 443 because with SPY it's been moving between 443 and 444 the last 2 hours. Okay, so SPY and the Q definitely looking weak. Let's see, is SPY is gonna hold again 443. If SPY keeps holding here 443, I'm just gonna finish my morning here because there's no reason to keep looking this mess. And I'm starving. I wanna go and eat something. I think I'm gonna make some chicken fajitas. 443 hold. Yeah, I kind of feel like getting like fat, like hard tortillas, and I have hard and soft tortillas, so I think I'm gonna be doing like a mix of hard and soft tortilla, but I'm kind of lazy and I don't want to cook. Okay, so if Tesla hold this 229 and use it as support, I'm gonna be all out of my scalp. You wanna see it rejecting this level here. Let's see. And at this level here. And that's a rejection there. Ooh, that was a beautiful rejection. The market just dead. Because Apple. Okay, so next support, it's here, 228, then 227, these rejection points or hold support points on pre-market, and then buy. I'm up so much on Netflix, it's like stupid. Stupid. We make money up, we make money down, and that's it. That's why it's so important to learn how to play puts. Because I see a lot of traders that only play calls and they have no idea how to play puts, and it's pretty much the same. Use your resistance for put entries, and that's it. Um, my first entry was Monday. Monday. Yeah, I think it was on Monday on Netflix. Let's see. Today's, yeah, on Monday. So I entered on Monday on weeklies, 420 weeklies, and then I said if um let's go here with Netflix. So it was a very simple plan, Netflix. So I don't know if you're on my Discord, but I explain why I'm taking um Netflix put. I explained it on my the end of the day recap yesterday video. So Netflix, first of all, has a huge head and shoulder here. We are on a downtrend, so when I see head and shoulders on a downtrend, I like to play those pattern. And then Netflix was holding um 430, 429 as support, and then on Friday it broke that support, and then we can see on Monday try to go higher to that support, and then it failed to break it. So now it's acting as resistance. It was resistance on Monday, clear resistance yesterday. So yesterday when I saw that, I enter more puts for next week, because I knew that was a break and retest, a clear break and retest. And yeah, so my PT is this support here. So and that's the head and shoulder neck. So this is the head and shoulder neck. So neck flick can go even lower, but this, I'm not asking for too much. So this is my PT here. So between 413 till 409, 408. And it has a little gap here to fill from 409.50 till 412. Okay, so Meta just lost 228. Let's see if it's gonna keep acting as resistance. I don't know. I can see Apple trying to bounce right now. So, and SPY is at support. Same with the Q. If the QQQ loses this support, it's gonna definitely die. But it's already losing morning low, which is extremely bearish. Bye, Emily. Have a great one. See you guys at 2. Okay, this right here, very important for the Q because that's morning low. Looks like Q is rejecting there, so we can expect more downside. Well, let's see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. Nvidia is kind of losing it here. Apple is rejecting the VWAP, so that's gonna make the market go lower. Oof. Guys, watch Nvidia. It loses yesterday's low, which is the same level as Monday's high. Nvidia is a good put play there. I'm not gonna take it because I already have I'm very happy with my plays, what I'm holding, but Nvidia can be a good one. If loses 437, I use it as resistance. But a bounce here wouldn't surprise me. Ooh, what an ugly daily candle here so far. That's an ugly, ugly candle. The Q is just dead. Apple and Microsoft, that Microsoft 428, 420, I'm sorry, 324 rejection was money. That, it was, look, 424 rejection yesterday, Monday, the downtrend is also the downtrend. That was money. SPY and Q needs to hold here, otherwise the market's just gonna die like bad. Mm. Oh no, there's no way you can get anything right now unless the only thing that I can see is playing like a quick call scalp, but I will not do anything. Like the play was the rejection of 444. So yeah, the play was the rejection of important levels. Because again, we are on a downtrend. I'm all out of Tesla, but very happy with that scalp. Yeah. So let's see. Friday's low. I would say Tuesday. Yesterday's low. On the SPY is the level to watch is yesterday's low, which is here, this one, and the Q, yeah, Friday's low. Because yesterday closed a little bit above Friday and Monday's low. Yeah, here. These are the levels to watch here. Okay, so done for the day. Very happy with my SPY and SPY call play, Tesla put play. Very happy with my Netflix put swing. I'm still holding Netflix. I'm holding Netflix. Uh right now I only holding, let's see. I'm holding my entire position for next week, and I'm holding a few runners weekly on Netflix puts. I'm all out of Tesla, and um I'm holding just one Nvidia call, but I think I'm gonna be stop out right now. Let's see. Yeah, I don't care about that one. Honestly, just one. Let's see. So if Nvidia loses this support here, I'm gonna get out. If hold, I'm gonna hold my calls, but I think it's gonna stop me out. Spy and QQ are holding, so I'm just gonna hold it. I don't care. It's just one. It's just one contract. So let's see. Should I sell? Hold. I'm just gonna hold it unless Spy and QQQ loses today's low. That's it. But I honestly don't care what happened with that Nvidia call. I made enough money with Tesla and Netflix and Spy. So yeah. Let's see. So you know what? I'm not gonna come. I don't feel like coming today at 2. Mm, I don't know if I'm gonna come today at 2. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling lazy, and I made enough profits today to keep trading. I feel like I'll be over trading here. Hmm. I don't know. I'll let you guys know if you don't see anything post on my Discord about a stream at 2 p.m. I'm not gonna do it. So thank you guys for being here. Awesome day for me today. I hope you guys also had a beautiful trade today. We made money. So see you probably tomorrow.